News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Gorakhpur, National Council for Cement and Building Materials, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, Malviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur, CSIR Centre for Cellular and Molecular Biology, Hyderabad, Reserve Bank of India, Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, and Air India Express Limited. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Gorakhpur invites applications from Indian national or person registered under Overseas Citizenship Act 1956 for the following faculty positions on direct recruitment basis: 27 posts of professor, 19 posts of additional professor, 29 posts of associate professor, and 46 posts of assistant professor. The above vacancies are provisional and subject to variation. The Executive Director, AIIMS Gorakhpur, reserves the right to vary the vacancies as per the Government of India rules and circulars and requirements. Application form along with department-wise details of seats, terms and conditions, etc. of the various posts will be uploaded on Institute's website www.aimsgorakhpur.edu.in. Last date of online application is 30 days from the date of advertisement published in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. All applicants are advised to regularly check AIIMS Gorakhpur website on regular basis for any further updates. National Council for Cement and Building Materials under the administrative control of Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, invites applications from Indian nationals for the following positions on direct recruitment or deputation basis: 1 post of Group Manager, Controller of Administration, HR, 1 post of Group Manager, Finance and Accounts, and 1 post of Group Manager, Materials Management Services. Last date is 21 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in Employment News. Interested candidates may visit the website www.ncbindia.com for detailed advertisement, application form, etc. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR, invites applications or nominations for the post of Distinguished Scientist and Outstanding Scientist. For details, kindly see the complete advertisement on CSIR website www.csir.res.in. Applications or nominations with complete biodata and list of publications and patents, etc. may kindly be sent through email on email ID drc.csir.res.in or by post to the concerned authority on or before 15th February 2021. The advertisement issued earlier for the position of Distinguished Scientist may be treated as cancelled and withdrawn. Those who wish to be considered for the position of Distinguished Scientist need to apply afresh as per terms of the advertisement available on CSIR website. Malviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur is one among 31 NITs established by Government of India, an institution of national importance declared by the Act of Parliament and a premier technical institution of the country offering several undergraduate, postgraduate and doctoral programs in engineering sciences, management, humanities, social science and architecture, and also provides excellent ambience for academic research and co-curricular activities. It invites applications for the following posts: Technical Assistant or Library Information Assistant in Technical Higher Cadre, Technical or Work Assistant in Technical Lower Cadre, Senior Technician or Work Assistant in Technical Lower Cadre, Superintendent in Ministerial Higher Cadre, Junior Assistant in Ministerial Lower Cadre, Senior Assistant in Ministerial Lower Cadre, and office attendant or lab attendant in support staff MTS cadre. Interested candidates must apply online only through the institute website www.mnit.ac.in. Applications received through any other mode shall not be accepted and summarily rejected. Last date of online application is 5th March 2021 up to 6 p.m. and last date for receiving the hard copy of the downloaded PDF of the filled application form at Malviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur is 12th March 2021 up to 5:30 p.m. For further details, please visit the institute website www.mnit.ac.in. CSIR Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, Hyderabad, is a premier research laboratory under the aegis of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, an autonomous body under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. CSIR CCMB is involved in multidisciplinary R&D programs of both basic and applied nature across scientific disciplines for economics, environmental and societal benefits of mankind. CSIR Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology invites online applications for 25 posts of Grade 2 or Technician. Last date for submission of online applications is 8th March 2021. Last date for receipt of hard copy of applications is 18th March 2021. For detailed qualifications, experience, relaxation and other requirements of the post, please visit CSIR CCMB website www.ccmb.res.in. Corrigendum, addendum, if any, will be published only in the website. Applications are invited from eligible Indian citizens for the following posts in Reserve Bank of India, RBI or Bank. 5 posts of Junior Engineer Civil in East Zone, 10 posts of Junior Engineer Civil in West Zone, 5 posts of Junior Engineer Civil in North Zone, 3 posts of Junior Engineer Civil in South Zone, 1 post of Junior Engineer Civil in Central Zone, 7 posts of Junior Engineer Electrical in East Zone, 10 posts of Junior Engineer Electrical in West Zone, 5 posts of Junior Engineer Electrical in North Zone, and 2 posts of Junior Engineer Electrical in South Zone. Full text of the advertisement is available on the bank's website www.rbi.org.in and is also being published in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. Applications will be accepted only online through the bank's website www.rbi.org.in. No other mode for submission of application is available. Before applying, candidates should ensure that they fulfill the eligibility criteria for the post. Website link will close on 15th February 2021. Tentative date of online examination is 8th March 2021. Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur invites online applications from Indian nationals, including persons of Indian origins and overseas citizens of India, for appointment on temporary and contract basis for a maximum period of 5 years for 3 posts of Research Establishment Officer, Grade 1. Closing date for online application is 15th March 2021. For detailed advertisement, visit www.iitk.ac.in/DOAD/REO recruitment. Air India Express Limited invites applications from Indian citizens wherever domiciled, fulfilling the requirements as on 1st January 2021 for the following post on fixed-term contract basis. 1 post of Manager, Cargo Sales and Marketing, Kochi, and 1 post of Deputy Manager, Airport Services Profile Systems Admin, DCS, Grade M3, Kochi. Interested and eligible candidates may submit their application in the address mentioned in the website www.airindiaexpress.in within 15 days of this advertisement. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.